Hey guys, look at this cool, amazing toy bird I have. Oh, that is looking amazing.
Yeah, the toy bird is looking awesome.
Yes, so how does it work? There's a button on its back, so when you press it, it chirps. Let's try that again. Again.
Amazing! This is a cool bird you have got.
Yep, that's right. We're gonna be going outside having fun with the toy bird. Come on, let's go. Alright, let's go.
Here we go. Downstairs to the outside.
Alright guys, outside, we have taken a bird toy. Let's just put it down and see whether it works. You can do it, Anna.
Okay, Leafy. Here it goes. 3, 2, 1. It's
Singing a nice song. Yep, a nice song. Well, that's only one more thing I say. This bird toy's looking amazing. I know what that means. Well, it's got to be only one more. Time to make it fly. Tap button. How to make it fly? You can do this by tapping the button 2 times. Okay, here it goes. Bye-bye, toy bird. I wonder what that toy bird is going. I don't know, Bomb, but let's find out.
I'm Mr. Robinson, and I know what I'm doing. Wait a minute, is that a toy bird? Why is it sitting on my head? Toy bird, get away from me! Because you know what that means. I know what are you doing in there. I think you should not tell me what to do. Get on my head. That's better. No time to go.
Geez, the toy bird landed on Mr. Robinson.
I know, Leafy, because the toy bird was going to ask something to Mr. Robinson. You do know?
Yes, I know, Anna. And remember, you know what that means. That bird looks amazing. Now that bird's coming back to us. Thank God you're here, Mr. Toy Bird. Hopefully you're cooler. Okay? Now time to click the button. Oh my god, I think that bird toy is blue, but me is black? That's right, Bomb. You have different colors as the same as the toy bird, but you actually look different to it. Oh, okay, I noticed that. Okay, so I get that the toy bird is amazing.
Yeah, it was so cool.
Yep, you know why. That's cool. We all know that toy bird is amazing. Yep, we all see. That knows us.